once was a house, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. A center hall colonial at the end of a quiet street. But this wasn't just any house. Tangled with vines and coated in a layer of dust and grime, a faded for sale sign sat at the head of a long driveway. A young couple walking their dog wandered by the house. Looking for a home of their own and intrigued by the seemingly abandoned property, they plugged the address into their phones. The home's listing revealed a terrifying sight. It had been on the market for 547 days, with no price reductions. Intrigued, the couple began to flip through the listing photos. Each flip revealed a more terrifying scene than the next. Shag carpet, wood paneling, and carpet in the bathroom? The couple, horrified, dropped their phones and ran as far from the home as possible, never to return again. We've all seen homes befallen by outdated kitchens, bad carpet, and even the stench of an overflowing toilet. But fear not. Curbio can help save your listing from dying a slow and painful death.